Gurudev used to say, Gurudev always used to say that Harikatha is for my own purification. He never said that when I am speaking Harikatha, that I am doing it for the benefit of others. He never said, he never considered even that Harikatha is for others. He would always say, whatever Harikatha is there, everything is for my own purification. You know, we say this, but many times I have seen people waiting for the audience to come and then only they will speak. In the case of Gurudev, I did not see this. Gurudev, when he was 82 or even little more, or we can say like 80, 82 something, that was his age. When he traveled to one city in India, he traveled to one city in India where we have organized program, and interestingly in the whole auditorium there was no single person. There was no single person in the whole auditorium, which was least expected, because after making so many banners, posters, and then also distributing so many invitations, we did so much, we spent so much for the publicity so that people will come, and also organized feast also. It was in Kerala, which was mainly dominated by Catholics and also some Islamic followers. But anyhow, and mainly that state is communist based state, so they don't believe in God, so many people. Anyhow, we tried our best and we organized one big program, and there was no single person in the auditorium, only one person was sitting there, and there were maybe some sitting capacity of 500 people. Imagine, it's a big hall with 500 sitting capacity, and there was only one person sitting in the auditorium. Can you imagine that anyone can ever speak Harikatha? If they speak also, they would chastise the organizers that why you can't plan properly. But I was so surprised to see that most revered Srila Gurudev has arrived there. He arrived there and then he just came and sat on Vyasasana. And after that, when the kirtan is finished, we were like feeling very shameful. We were feeling very shameful, very scared, because Gurudev is such big Acharya, and then we have organized the program and there was no one. We were feeling so scared. I don't know how Gurudev will react. To our surprise, he started speaking Harikatha, and it was 1 full hour Harikatha. Without any interval, without any breaks, he keeps on speaking. After 1 hour of Harikatha, he just concluded his Katha, and then we did Kirtan, and Gurudev left and happily went to his room. And till today, Gurudev did not even ask single time. Of course, in 2017, Gurudev disappeared from this mortal vision. He is eternally present, but physically he is absent now in a way. But till today, Gurudev never ever asked or complained about the organizing of that program. Why? Because he not only speaks, he lives up to what he is speaking. That Harikatha is for our own purification. If you are getting the chance to speak or sing the glories of the Supreme Lord, you just avail it. Keep on glorifying the Supreme Lord for your own benefit. And he proved it. He lived according to that. That's why I said it's impossible to imitate also. When we see it and then when we see no audience, it's impossible, that words also will not come out of the mouth. Our heart feels, no one is there, what to do. But Gurudev is not like that. If you are there, you are fortunate. If you are not there, it's not his business. His only business is to speak, is only to sing the glories of the Supreme Lord, what he has heard from his most revered Srila Gurudev.